How would you feel if I tell you you could turn your own personal YouTube account into a lucrative income stream that will make you money even when you're asleep? Sounds good? Let's get started. Hi, this is the Tech Girl 007 here, teaching you all about YouTubing, editing and social media tips and tricks. And if that's what you're after, then press on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Right, so today you're going to be learning how to convert your personal YouTube account into a branded account. And this change can happen regardless of what stage in your YouTubing world you currently are, without losing any current channels, views, subscribers or videos if you have them at all. Right, so before we move on to the next stage, I would like to just elaborate and let you know more about why you'd want to be, switching to brand as opposed to your personal account. Right, so brand account is better in a sense that it will give you more options and flexibilities. If you want to then further grow your channel and have people around you to help you, for example, managers can be assigned to your channel and different level of access can be granted to them. This way you won't have to give up your login details to anyone, and that they don't have to give them improper types of control to do something in your channel that they shouldn't be doing so. Now, since we're talking about brand, how about the brand name? Did you know that the other great thing is that you'll be able to set your account a branded name as opposed to just having your first or last name? And the other great thing, but very crucial reason you want to switch, is that you'll be able to recover your deleted channel if you had deleted it for any reason. Finally, if you wish to sell your company, you can transfer your YouTube account to someone else's completely to act as a business asset for them. However, there are a couple of things that you need to be aware of before you do that. First, your comments, such as any comments or any replies that you have sent, will be deleted, but not the comments other people have put on your videos. Also, that your current URL will be deleted, but don't worry though, you will be able to set that later on to anything you would like. In fact, a video is coming soon on that, so watch out for it. Right, so it's very simple. Just go to your personal account, click on the avatar. Now this is an old account that I'm using just for the purpose of this account. Now let's click on to YouTube Studios. Then go to settings at the bottom left hand corner of the page. Now from there you will see a pop-up window, and on here just click on channel tab. Then click on advanced settings. Right, so now scroll down to the bottom of the pop-up page and you will see an option for manage YouTube account. Just click on it, and here you will see many tabs on the left hand side. You want to make sure that you're on account, and in the middle of the page you will be able to choose the option add or manage your channels. Now in here click on create a channel. Whoa, don't worry, you're not creating another account and then moving your personal account to that. This time you're making a branded account and transferring everything from your personal to your brand account without losing any data. Okay, in here, once you have clicked on create a channel, give it a name. Now in here, as always, I would like to give you a tip, and that is to easily find an easily remembered brand name. There are a few websites to use, but the one that I would like to use is businessnamegenerator.com. Link will be on the description box below. It's quick and easy to use, by the way, not sponsored. Just give it a keyword and it should generate hundreds of brand names for you, and you just have to pick one, really. Right, so it's your turn now. Choose your pick, and you have the option to choose from hundreds. I'm going to pick the one that says Nail Gorgeous for this purpose only. Nothing to do with tech videos. However, at least a thing to do with YouTube, which is our main niche. Now click on create and voila, the new channel is now created. But how do you go about transferring everything to the branded account from the old account so that all your subscribers could shift over to? So to do that, you go back to your previous options once again. Sorry about this, but you gotta have to do it, From YouTube Studio, go to the settings again and onto the channel tab, then advanced setting, then again click on manage my YouTube account. And thereafter, we're still being on accounts tab. On this next page, click on add or manage your channel, then select the old channel, which is Beauty Me Nails in this case. Right, so now coming to this page, I'm going to go over the options again. Now click on view advanced setting, then click on move channel to a branded account. Just select that option. Now just click on replace, and before you click on delete channel, which is obviously the old channel, right? Now read all the information in the bullet points. I have already explained this previously in terms of what things you need to be aware of. Then once you're confident, then tick the box and click on delete channel. Now on this page is giving you more information to what things will be changed and things you can't transfer, which I have again already explained at the beginning of the video, so you just want to read it on your own to make sure you're satisfied. Then click on move channel. So now I am moving my personal account Beauty Me Nails to a branded account, which is the new one that's called Nail Gorgeous. Now the move and everything is done, and let's see if it has done what it told us it would do. Click on your avatar again and then click on YouTube Studios, and clearly as you can see, it's done it as it's supposed to, and we can confirm this by looking at the number of subscribers that has subscribed to this channel or account, which is what it was on the original channel. Okay, so now you can get on with your brand new channel and do all sorts of things with it, such as change your URL, which a video is going to be coming on soon, assign managers, etc. And before you go, did you know that there's some important information that you need to change, or perhaps the settings that you need to change to give your channel the full potential to reach its maximum? If you didn't know this, I have a video on it, so get it from the cards above or on the description box below. Right, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you on another video. Take care, bye.